somebody's got to do the laundry, and paying people to do it doesn't exactly work. It works if they're like paid help.
We haven't done it very far.
Oh my gosh.
Hey,
That is much better exercise than you would ever think. That's the new weight loss program. Pull up your wood floors that are glued down, nailed down, stapled down, and I don't know what else they did. Look, see, you're sweating. Was that hard work? Oh, shut up. You know it's hard.
it's not.
You're just trying to make me look bad.
No?
Oh, that's your whole goal. I think that was about, I don't know, 2 pounds in about 10 minutes.
You?
I didn't gain, I lost. That was hard work. Weight loss. Try it. I invite you to come over here and lose weight by pulling up our floors. How's that? Is that a good pitch?
Yeah.
Oh, there's my beautiful flaxen princess. Blonde hair, blonde skin, blonde clothes. You're the yellow golden girl today. What you doing? Are you playing? Are you getting ready to take a nap? That's the kiss of death. You say nap to Maddie, and ever since she was about 19 months old. No way, right? Maddie has her own way of doing things, right? You're in charge? Who's in charge?
You.
Thank you. I'm going to replay that next time she's screaming at everybody that we're not in charge. Daddy is. I have it on tape now that I'm in charge. I'm in charge, I'm in charge, I'm in charge.
Daddy.
How do we pass the time, you wonder? On slow moments? I mean, there's never a slow day. We're going to the wave. But this is how we do it.
I found her dead now.
So much fun. Are you going?
It was raining.
I'm joking to death.
It's up to Alpine Quest.
You don't want to stay home? Babysit?
Mommy.
You don't want to like quit kayaking and be my personal nanny?
Mommy.
You sure? There's a lot of, what do you call it? You get a lot out of being a nanny.
Nope.
Get to raise children.
Nope.
For other people.
No.
Do you know if Katie's coming or not?
You sure?
Do you know if Katie's
How about you?
Is Katie coming?
Do you want to go?
Is Katie coming?
Yes. Do you want to go?
Is Katie coming? Is Katie coming?
I'm taping. Can you?
Is Katie coming?
All right. Let me push the
Katie
stop the repeat button.
Is Katie coming?
Yes, she's coming.
Katie coming?
Are you going?
Is Katie coming?
Are you going?
Is Katie coming?
Are you going?
Is Katie
Are
coming?
you going?
Is Katie coming?
You going?
No, I'm just, I think I should get dressed up in my life jacket and all that, swimsuit and everything, and just hang out.
I think
play
so too.
PlayStation.
Because then you can babysit.
I wanna
You don't want to stay home and be Kenny? You want to be a nanny?
go. No, Katie can't.
You don't.
She's already a girl. Katie said.
Nannies aren't always girls. Sexist.
I'm not a nanny.
You sure you don't want to be one?
I don't like babysitting.
Why are you down there playing?
There's a lot of training involved. Do you want to be the nanny and stay home and not go kayaking? You could quit kayaking and study to be a nanny.
Okay.
Yeah? Oh, Carrie. Carrie wants to be a nanny.
What? I'm leaving.
You're leaving?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I'm bringing Christian home.
Legally?
Yes. It is legal now.
Adios.
Bye.
There's Christian. That's a new face. Say hey. He's camera shy.
Go to the pool.
The pool. Yeah, that's what we're going to do tonight.
Wait, no.
It is open. Tonight we're going to go and kayak. Do you want to get in my kayak tonight?
I want to go to Daddy's kayak.
Do you guys want to get in the kayaks and you do? Yeah? You want to learn to paddle? You want to learn to paddle with Cardi?
I saw Daddy. I know. Daddy.
I really think we're going to have to do the Heimlich maneuver.
Daddy.
Okay. Cardi, do you know the Heimlich maneuver?
No.
You don't know what to do if I start to choke to death? What do you do? Welcome to the second edition of Cooking with the Kellogg's. Tonight we're having tilapia with a garlic basil pesto sauce thing, broccoli and brown basmati rice. So we're getting this started bright and early at like 4:42. It's gonna take forever because brown rice, you know, takes forever. We're having tilapia.
Is that fish?
That's fish. Okay, so you little snot. Retrieving said fish.
Here goes a loop. Gonna try it at least.